NASDAQ is opening up 400 points lower from Friday's open. Now, the way that you can actually check the price point on the NASDAQ is by going to the weekend US Tech 100. And you do want to do this by going on the website with ig.com. And then from there, you can see the price point of NASDAQ overnight. So we're actually down over 410 points, and we're currently at 24,737 on NQ. Now we're gapping down 400 points because Iran and the US were unable to come to a deal over the weekend. So here's my thoughts on NQ as we go into the week with all the geopolitical news and how we look on the higher time frame. Now, interesting enough, we're actually going to be gapping down into this price point right here, 24,730s, which is right inside of this daily fair value gap. Now, it'll be interesting to see whether or not we'll have some sort of reaction here and then slowly start to head higher and then maybe come up into these highs, back up into 25,400s. So from a technical perspective, we're kind of coming down into a key area of support. Now, it's all going to come down to whether Iran and the US can come to a deal. And the Iranian president did say something that was interesting, which leads me to think that we might have a bullish case. Now, they were essentially saying that you don't usually come to a deal within the first meeting. So Iran and the US are still talking. So it'll be interesting to kind of see whether we get some sort of bullish news right at this key level where Iran and the US may come to some sort of agreement, may come to some sort of deal. Again, with these types of market environments, you always want to be very cautious. You don't want to average down and hold trades because, again, at any moment, a piece of news can come out and the market can move up 400, 500 points as we've seen last week and now as we see in the overnight session. So what are your thoughts on NQ? What do you guys think was going to happen this week?